At over 50, that truck's not the only one that needs some body work. Scrub a dub. All right, I didn't go with a big one because I don't have a whole lot of room left around here to start storing things. Well, I ended up going with this Craftsman, and I'm going to actually have to read off of it. I really don't even know what the specs are anymore. It's a little 1700 psi, 1.2 gallon per minute, little compact unit, delivered for less than $100, Amazon Prime, 3-year warranty, Craftsman, pretty good reviews, and most importantly, it's compact. Because I'm running out of room to start putting things in my little house, in my little shop, or my little work shed. And the only thing I need this for is detailing. Things like we're going to do today. Maybe pressure wash your transmission before you work on it, or after driving into salty roads, you get up underneath it and dust everything off. Let's see what we're dealing with. We're going to get this thing hooked up, and we're going to make this as quick as possible because, like I said, it is freaking hot today. Hot and humid. Nozzle, instructions, and I'm assuming that's just to clean the nozzle out, a little tip cleaner. An extension. Yeah. Doesn't look too bad for a $99 pressure washer. Pretty sturdy. As long as that thing will last. There's a little stuff that I'm going to do with it. A little soap dispenser. Pressure hose. Tip nozzle floating around in this box. And all right, see what we got here. Yeah, not too bad. Remember those good old days when you used to buy stuff and you took it out of the box and it looked new? Well, I miss those days too. It's okay. Got some crap all over the side. It looked like somebody been bleeding all over it. What's it matter? Quality control is a thing of the past. You know, nowadays you're lucky if you just get something delivered at all. Yeah, they're not too bent. Just a little bit. Oh my God, where is this made? I think it'll work. I think it'll work. I guess after later on, when I clean it all up, I'll wash all the blood off the side of it or whatever's on it. What do you expect for $99? Not much. Like I said, I'm just glad it showed up. And I'll be even happier if it works. Yep. Got a fairly long cord on it though. Golly. Look, it says how long it is. 20 foot. I'm assuming that 35 foot must be for the cord itself. So that's got a pretty long distance to get to things. You're talking about 55 feet. That's not too bad. Man, I hope that its terminal in there is loose. I hope that thing works. Dang it, man. 30 seconds. Once you start it up, pull the trigger, hold it 30 seconds. I'm assuming that's to prime everything. It's got on off. Pretty self-explanatory. And plug it in. Plug it in. Overall, I mean, I guess it's should get the job done, I guess. I do prefer the size of it because it won't take up a lot of room on my shelf when I put it away. Easy setup, and as long as it'll get the job done, then that's all we needed. You know, one thing I wish they would do, and I'm sure the reason why, probably to kind of get that further away from the operator so less chance of having an accident, but it sure would be nice if you could have plugged the tip pretty close into the handle of this thing, so when you're working in tight quarters underneath the vehicle, have a little bit more control. But I kind of understand that's probably to keep the high pressure water away from you. You're going to probably have somebody there trying to take a bath with it or something. I'm not sure what these different nozzles are for. We're going to find out. For general area cleaning is the white one. Okay. That's all I needed to hear. This one right here is for high pressure. This one right here is for getting down and dirty. This is probably the other one that someone might want to use to like wash the dog or something. Probably why they got that handle so long. This is more a wider spray, less pressure. Mainly probably for rinsing stuff off. But I want the one that's going to get medieval, if possible. Right. Right. All right, make this thing quick. I'm going to set up over there, get the hose out, turn this thing on, and we're going to pressure wash the motor. All right, we're going to do a little baseline video real quick. Kind of something that's for a later comparison. I just wanted to say I do appreciate y'all watching. And if y'all got anything out of this, even if it's just entertainment value, why don't y'all consider hitting that subscribe button? Thank y'all. Well, that's round one anyway. Boy, there was a lot of stuff on there. Man, there was a lot of stuff. I mean, some of it peeling up was 1/4 inch thick, but I'm sure that was just a mixture of road grime and grease. And just good old farm mud. I mean, it was thick in spots, but it peeled up pretty good. I'm actually pretty impressed with that little pressure washer. In all honesty, anything that was probably bigger or more powerful than that, I probably would have done a heck of a lot more damage. You know, because you're trying to get down the side with that long wand, you can only get so far away. So anything with more pressure and a bigger volume and a more aggressive tip, it would have just done too much damage. I'll have to say that that little 1700 psi, 1.2 gallons in a minute with that particular tip on there was just almost perfect. And I just have to give it a thumbs up considering the price and how compact it is. It did actually a really nice job. Again, this is just round one. I'm going to start trying to find some products. I don't know, Simple Green or something. And then I'm going to start using some more elbow grease. Actually physically scrubbing on some of the tougher stuff. Get it freed up. And then we're going to rinse it off one more time. And then we're going to start detailing this thing out kind of carefully so it doesn't look as much of a restoration as it does just a really clean original engine compartment. So it'll be kind of strategic things. I prefer the original clean look since the truck on the outside looks like an old farm truck. Yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed. But I think overall, that's pretty good for round one. Hey, you guys, leave something in the comment if anybody's used a particular product for detailing out an engine, degreasing anything. All right. Stick around for round two. Y'all take care.